everyone. Let's do the coding for fun animal quiz game. Let's get started. So, this is the screen of Scratch. So, you see this cat? There's a cat down here. There is a bin on top. Click that, and then that is gone. And then go to choose a sprite option, and then you can choose anything. I will choose bin. Okay, now we have to go to choose a backdrop option, and then you can do anything. I will do field at mid. Okay, now we have been at field at mid. So let's get started. So first, go to the events category and drag out when green flag clicked, and then go to the looks category and then drag out say hello for 2 seconds. Place that here, and then you have to write welcome to the animal quiz. Okay, let's do that. WELCOME, welcome to the THE to the animal quiz. A I M A L animal. Wait, I forgot to put space. The 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 animal. ANIMAL animal quiz. Q okay, QUIZ. Welcome to the animal quiz. Okay. Yeah. Now you see these two dots. We have to put that at the starting and in the end. So let's put that. Okay, now we have got that. Now, hmm, now go to do the same thing. Say hello for 2 seconds. Drag the same thing, but in this one, we have to write. Are you ready to test your knowledge? Okay, let's write that. ARE. Are you ready to TO test T E S T to test your Y Y O U your knowledge. KNOWTGE. Are you ready to test your knowledge? We have to put the dots again in the same thing. Now go to the sensing category and then drag out ask what is your name and wait block. So you put that here and then go to the looks category and then drag out say hello. Okay, put that here and then go to the operators category and then drag out apple and banana. Join apple and banana, and then instead of apple you have to write hello. HELLO, hello. And then for instead of banana, go to the sensing category and then drag out answer block and then put it instead of the banana. So that's done. Now we can start the questions. Okay, let's start the question. Drag out, ask what is your name from the sensing category, and then we should write what is the tallest animal. No, we have to write which is the tallest animal. W H I C H, which is the tallest animal. T H E, the tallest. T A L L S T, tallest animal. A N I M A L, animal. What is the which is the tallest animal? Hold shift and then press the question mark button in the last row of the alphabet keys. Press that and then the question mark will come. And then go to the controls category and then drag out if then else, and then right here you have to put go to the operators section and then drag out that this block dash equal to 50, and then right here right here you have to place, go to the sensing category and then drag out answer block and then put it here, and then right here, yeah, see the answer, which is the tallest animal, the answer will come right here. So the tallest uh, animal is giraffe. G I R A F F E, giraffe. And then go to the looks category and then drag out say hello for 2 seconds, and then you have to type correct. C O R R E C T. Correct. And then go to the sound category and then play sound referee whistle until done. There is a down arrow. Press that and then press record, and then there's this button choose a sound. Press that and then for the correct answer you, you need cheers. For the correct answer, you need cheer. So put that, and then this is cheers. Cheers. Okay, so we need to put that here. Okay, play sound cheer until done. Right here, below, say correct for 2 seconds, and then go to the looks category, and then drag out say hello for 2 seconds. Put it in the else one. Okay, and then instead of the hello, we need to write incorrect. I N C O R R E E C T. Incorrect for 2 seconds. And then go to the sound category and then play sound cheer until done. There is a down arrow. Press that and then press record. And then let's choose a different sound. If you do the wrong answer, uh, a wrong sound effect will come. So let's do oops. Let's find oops. Oops. So that's oops. Oops is for. So now we'll put oops for incorrect answer. Play sound oops until done. And then The first question is done. And then go back to ask which is the tallest animal and do right click on that and then press duplicate and then you put it below the if then else right here. And then the second question. The second question will be which animal has a trunk? Okay. W H I C H which animal A A N I M A L animal has a trunk. 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 Hold shift and then press question mark and then the question mark will come. Okay. Now you see giraffe here and the green one. We don't need that. Instead of giraffe, we write elephant. E L E P P H A N T. Elephant. And then go back to the ask which animal has a trunk. Right click on that and then press duplicate. It will be duplicated and then put it under the if then else. Okay, the third question is which bird can't fly? Okay, W H I C H which bird? B I R D which bird can't? C C A C A. After the CAN, you put one dot like this hyphen, and then press that, and then you have to press T. Can't fly. F F L L Y. Can't fly. And then instead of elephant, write ostrich. O S T R I C H. Ostrich. And then the question answers are done, but go to the looks category and drag out say hello for 2 seconds. And then instead of hello, we have to write thank you for playing the quiz. Okay. H A N K. Thank you. Y O U for for playing P L Y Y for playing INC for playing the TLE for playing the quiz. Q I QUIZ and then hold shift and then press one exclamation mark will come and then go to the sound category and then play sound oops until done. There is one arrow, press that and then press record and then let's do a sound effect for finishing the game. Okay, let's do drum roll. Drum roll. Let's see where it is. Drum roll. Let's listen to it. Okay, so that's drum roll. This is the sound effect for finishing the game. Okay, play sound drum roll until done. Okay, now let's test the question and answer. This is called debug. This is called debugging. So let's start. Welcome to the animal quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge? What is your name? Krish. Riff. Enter. Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. Giraffe. Ffe. Giraffe. Enter. Correct. Woohoo! Okay, let's go to the next question. Which animal has a trunk? Elephant. 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 Enter. Correct. Woohoo! For now, for the last question, we have already listened to the correct sound effect. Let's listen to the incorrect sound effect. We will be doing a incorrect answer purposely. So let's write ABC. A B C. Enter. Incorrect. So it did that oops sound. And then I said thank you for playing the game. And then it did the drum roll. And that's all for today. Bye.